Hello, welcome to Rock RC. What do we have today? A big RC car, Maximus monster truck. Cardboard is a bit damaged, but I think everything is okay inside. This is a really big RC car, 128 brushless motor, 4-wheel drive monster truck. What do we have here? Throttle, steering, trimmer for throttle, trimmer for steering, on off, normal, reverse. Six AA battery, I think. I will try just now. Let's say 1. No, I think it's only 4. For AA battery. Other side. On off, working. Now in the big box. So the wheels are not fixed. You need to mount them on the car. The balance charger. You have big screw for the wheels. Really nice. Mounting is really straightforward, no problem at all. Quality is very good. Aluminium screw. In fact, a lot of pieces are aluminium. This one is really a monster. Yeah, huge wheels, big screw. Okay, that's fine. Four clips and the cover goes on. Look at this. Two batteries. The ESC. No, the motor. That's the motor. With a fan, the ASC with a fan. It's a waterproof ESC. (120 amps). It's the transmitter here and the battery. 1 and 2. Everything working. So I will charge the battery and make a ride with this fabulous RC car.